I have two GFCI outlets over here. This is an old one. See, they were not tamper resistant, and this is the new one. This is tamper resistant. You can see it over there. And when you put like a helper to change this, you have to check them, because the screws in the back are a little tricky, are a little different, and they tend to confuse the wire because they have a line and load. If you see, this is the old one. The line is close to the ground screw, and the load is on the top side of the device. But if you see the new one, the line is on the top side, and the load side, which is this over here, I will say load over there is close to the ground screw. And when you tell a helper to change them, they put the wires the same way. They are over here in the same screws, and they don't work. And you ask them, like, did you wire it right? And they're like, yeah, I did it the same. It's like, and then you have to take it apart and explain them, because they don't pay attention like to these little things. And sometimes the helper takes twice to realize that, to get used to it, because that's the way they used to be. Yeah, just a little different, and you can see this ground this ground thing over here. These ones didn't have it either, and now they have it. A little difference, Yep.